been cheating on me all this while. So that explains all this your mood swings and you've been cheating on me, Femi. You know what hurts more than heartbreak? Building a life with someone only to realize that you stupidly and foolishly signed away your future with your own hands. My name is Chinelo, and this is how I lost everything. So my love, see this one in Eneka, it makes sense a lot. So I would suggest we get it.
Eneka. It sounds foul. Is that area developed at all?
Yes now, yes. And also, we don't have money to buy in places like GRA now. So let's just start from there.
Well, anyway, my lawyer and surveyor have checked it out and they say I can go ahead.
Okay, that means it's legit.
And so far, so good. I actually had them check it out.
So let's go ahead now. Let's buy 2 plots. Yeah, let's get 2 plots.
Okay.
So when you meet your lawyer, remember to tell him to register the document in our names, each of our names. You understand, Abi?
Yes, now, Mr. and Mrs. Adebayo.
No, my love, that's not what I mean. I mean Mr. Femi and Mrs. Chinelo Adebayo.
That's just formalities now. Baby, we are one. Things are not necessary now. Let's leave it that. Mr. and Mrs. Adebayo is quite alright. You have nothing to worry about.
Are you sure?
See, not me again.
Okay.
These people,
If you say so now, no problem, my love.
yeah.
So, as I was saying, the land is very nice. It's just very close to the air. When we started, we had nothing. Just one mattress on the floor and a dream. Femi was my friend, my husband, and my business partner. We said, let's suffer together now so we can rest tomorrow. I believed in him. I built with him. Good afternoon, Mr. Femi.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
Can I have a seat? You came alone? What
Yes,
about
I
your
did.
wife?
She couldn't make it.
Is she okay?
Perfectly.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Just give me two seconds, please.
Okay.
Okay. So this is actually one of my client's documents.
Okay.
But as for your own, I'm done with it. Okay. Hey, that reminds me.
Yeah.
Mr. Femi, normally when husband and wife buy properties, they usually register the property with the husband's name, the wife's name. Like, for example, in your own case, Mr. Femi and Mrs. Chinelo Adebayo. But you asked me to just do Mr. and Mrs. Adebayo.
Yes, that's exactly how I prefer it.
Is there any specific reason why?
None at all. I just prefer it that way for now.
Okay, if you say so, is your wife aware of that? Is she okay?
Perfectly fine. We've discussed it.
She said okay.
Yes.
Okay, if that's your decision, who am I to? Okay, so these are the documents. This is the original one.
Okay.
The one with this is the original one. Then these other ones are duplicates. So you can just go
I'd like to
it.
go through this
Yes,
one.
yes, go through it. Yeah, for 2 plots.
Yeah. the measurements.
This was done by the surveyor.
Mhm. Okay, so where do I sign?
Okay. This is where you sign. Since your wife is not here, you can sign on behalf of your wife.
Of course.
Yes. You know how to do that. Okay. That's the original.
Okay.
Then I need to have one copy as your lawyer in case of
So basically, I'll sign this for
yeah,
your
you
own
sign
records.
this, yes.
Okay.
Then this one, when you get home, you can sign the rest. They are all yours. You also sign for your wife. Okay.
Done.
Okay. Let me check it. Perfect. So you're perfectly okay with it.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you for your time.
Yeah.
I really appreciate it.
My regards to Madam.
Sure. Yeah.
Yeah. Bye. Mr. You sure this man does not have any authority? Okay, that's not. Back then, I thought it meant unity. I didn't know I was erasing my own identity. Of course, subsequently, we bought more properties. 10 plots in total, different locations. Each time, Femi handled the papers, while I handled the money, the stress, and the prayers. All the properties were registered as Mr. and Mrs. Adebayo. Then, something began to shift. Femi,
Hmm?
you've been on your phone a lot these days. Oh.
So I should not reply my staff again.
It's past midnight. What kind of business are you doing by 12:30?
I don't understand. Are you now monitoring me?
I'm not monitoring you, my husband, but I've noticed that you've been distant a lot these days. What's going on?
You're just overthinking. You're overthinking things. Stop being irrational. You're overthinking things. This is why I tell you that you should rest. You should try and rest.
Are you now walking out on me? Are you trying to say now that I don't know what I'm talking about? Like I'm going nuts? What is going on? Hey, God. This is not the man that proposed to me 10 years ago. This is not him. God, where have I gone wrong? Where? No, I came to meet him. I was inside. He refused coming inside. I've come outside now. He has gone inside. What am I smelling? What is it? He started staying out late. He changed the password to his phones and laptops and everything. I blamed work. I blamed stress. I never blamed him until one fateful morning.
You
couldn't even wait for me. Now, wow, this man, when he pursue you, you couldn't even wait for me. See why I'm breathing. Hi, Jesus Christ. Hi. Why didn't you wait for me now?
What's all this?
What is it when somebody went out? Coming back, you just left the person and was just flying and going. Just ah wow. Where? Wait. He left his phone open. This man did not lock his phone. Jesus, no, no. My God, no, no, no. It's a lie. It's a lie. It's a lie.
What are you doing with my phone?
Who is Doris?
I don't understand. What are you doing?
Femi, so you have been cheating on me all this while. So that explains all this your mood swings and you've been cheating on me, Femi.
Well, now you know. She's soon going to be my wife.
So if she's going to be your wife, then what am I?
Isn't it obvious? My soon to be ex-wife.
God forbid. What are you talking about?
See, let's be safe. I've told you, it is what it is.
So you're not even denying it, Femi. You're not denying it.
See, let's not make this ugly.
My God.
You can keep the car anyways. For the rest, it's my name, so I don't know.
What? When you say the rest, what do you mean? The properties. Properties that we bought together. That I even used part of my savings to buy. Or am I saying part? All of my savings.
I don't understand. Is your name on any of the documents?
What are you talking about?
It's written there is Mr. and Mrs. Adebayo. Not Mr. and Mrs. Mr. Adebayo and Mrs. Chinelo Adebayo.
I am Mrs. Adebayo.
Not for long.
So Femi, you planned this all this while. You planned this all this while. So that is why you didn't want us to register the document as Mrs. Chinelo Adebayo. For over 10 years. Femi, you have been deceiving me in this house.
Look, like I said, it's what it is. Let's not make this ugly. Let's be civil, okay?
I don't understand what you're talking about, Femi. I don't understand. I spent 10 years building with you, Femi. No. No.
Well, you signed as Mrs. Adebayo. Anybody can be Mrs. Adebayo. And I don't see the problem.
So you planned this all this while, Femi?
Look,
Femi, you planned this. What did I do to you, Femi?
Look, stop all the drama. I'm going to marry Doris, and she'll be Mrs. Adebayo. And we are relocating soon.
Femi! So you want me to leave empty-handed? No, I would never leave empty-handed.
Listen, you came in with nothing, and you are going. Let's not.
I came in with nothing, and you had nothing, and we beat together.
Let's not.
I am not going empty-handed.
I said. So, it was never on paper. That's just facts. Okay?
For me, after all we went through, after all I went through, I built my whole world around this man. Would you treat me like this? No court could help me. Of course, the document was in his name, or Mr. and Mrs. Adebayo, which I'm no longer Mrs. Adebayo. Actually, I am Mrs. Nothing in the eyes of the law. Just a woman who trusted too much and asked too little questions. I lost everything. I didn't know if I was crying over the loss of my husband, the loss of my marriage, or the loss of everything I have built. All my sweat gone. Ladies, don't sign away your voice. Don't trust in the dark. Love is beautiful, but documents are permanent. This is not bitterness. This is survivor. You can love deeply and still sign your name. You can support your partner and still secure your future. Ask questions. Insist on paperwork. Don't put Mr. and Mrs. My dear, put names. Full names. Real names.